So, Ritu ma'am, I assume in your process, we also have biofeedback, right? Within that time. So, can you share an example of how do you manage the process? Let's say someone comes to a course. What is the exact procedure?
Yeah. So I'm going to take Harish. Okay. So Harish calls me and says, you know what? I have an unhappy, I have an unhappy relationship and I would like to make it better. Right? We all have some unhappy relationship. True. I would like to make it better. So then for the first 5 minutes, I will find out what is it that is going on with you. You can tell me a few things about the relationship, but we don't talk too much. Okay. We go right to the testing. So we find out, okay, what is the stress level at this moment? Yeah. And how much do you feel that you can make this relationship better? That's also a percentage. Yeah. So we determine that. Then we find out are you really feeling? You know, you may say that I'm very upset or I feel helpless. But what you are really feeling may be that you fear something, that this person will leave you, or this person will not, give you what you want, or this person may not be interested in you. Yeah, that is what you're really feeling. So in the course of the first session, we reduce the stress on what this person is feeling. And by reducing the stress, by doing various techniques, I can't say them to you like that. It's an experience you go through. So by reducing the stress, the brain now shifts from back to front. Yeah. Now you begin to see, oh yeah, you know what? I could do this, or I could say this, or aha, I haven't done this. Maybe I can do that. So you start to explore and discover new things that you may never have thought of before. And that is because the stress level is now reduced. Then the most important part of the session is that what is the body trying to tell you? The body is trying to say that, you know what? You have an option here. If you are feeling hurt or embarrassed or fearful, this is also something that exists in the body. You also have confidence within you. You have bravery. You have interest. You have a peace and a calm also within you that already exists. So you know what? The main thing to understand is that life never gives us only the negative. It always gives us the positive also. But when we are focused on the negative, we don't look for the positive.
True.
We forget कि भाई अगर दिन है तो रात है तो दिन है, दोनों एक ही है ना. पर हम कभी जब दिन होता है तो हम सोचते हैं कि रात नहीं होगी. Of course it will be there. And we accept that. Then why do we not accept that within this fear, there is also assurance within the same body? Right? And I help yourself to find and go to that place. Yeah?
Yes, that's true. People fail to remember or recollect that there are a lot of goods within them also. And they always see the negative side.
A lot of strength. A lot of strength that we were all born with, We didn't come here as defective pieces. We came here as whole human beings, 100% energy. And then the belief system develops. And then life happens. And then we develop our personalities. Yeah. So a very important part of the process is to go back to that time where we had all of this. और हम भूल गए कि ये भी है.
सही बात.
So we go down the memory lane. Huh?
True.